is better than just keeping your head above the water. One fact stands out. LTL is making money. That fact is undeniable. The reserves are in place. That fact is undeniable. Pay raises are being given for LTL employees when management recommends them. That's also the truth.
Roads ain't too bad this morning. It's kind of melted off. Going about 30 miles an hour. Could be a little bit of black ice, but when I hit my brakes, they aren't slipping, so I do have analog brakes. That helps a lot. This is the first Lubbock snow of the season. Heard there's multiple wrecks along the loop. And a couple rollovers on 114 coming in from Leveland. Getting a little more snow here on a less traveled road. There's a truck right there, slid off the road into the ditch right there. I don't know what time he did that. People just go too fast. Safe if you go slow. Not be in a hurry. Leave with plenty of time to get to work. It'll probably get worse tonight after it freezes again, as the snow keeps coming. It's got a light snow right now. Gotta turn my blinker on. Slow down. Whoa. Brake slid a little bit when I hit them right there. Thought the analog brakes kick in. Luckily the guy behind me was going slow too. That's why I love analog brakes. I'm never going to buy another car without analog brakes. Turn my blinker on. Going fucking slow. Okay, I'm here.